May mga usap-usapan kasi kami, Randa. People are getting worried about how the coins are going to perform over the next couple of days. The problem for this type of market, parang ganito yan eh. You're riding a wave, di ba? Nag-ride ka ng wave sa isang dagat. And then, mataas pa yung wave, iniiwanan mo agad. Tapos, the wave can go up again, then na-miss mo na yung wave. Diba? So, iniwanan mo agad. Yung mga times naman, no, na yung wave mismo, mataas na, papasok ka pa lang, no, pag narating niya na yung peak of that current structure, it will go down a bit, bigla mong bibitawan, matatalo ka. Then biglang aakyat ulit. No? So what do I mean by that is, this market, Cameranda, is supposed to be a profitable market for almost everyone.